Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So now in this tutorial, I want to share with you how to create a About Us page using WordPress 2024 theme. Okay, previously we've learned how to create a home page. Okay, and we have also learned how to create a contact form, contact us page using Fluent Form plugin. And now let's create a about page. Okay, so let's go back to WordPress dashboard and click add new page. And for the title, we can just use about or about us. Okay, then click publish. And now let's add a pattern. And let's go to pages and add in there's a about pattern. So this one about. So click on it. So it will appear. So we will use this as a guideline to create our about page. Okay, so first is the photo. So if you want to show a photo, you can also click here, replace and add in your photo. Okay, so I will just select a picture over here and just add it in. And of course, here you can enter your description of your company. And what I want to do over here is that I want to insert a section. I want to insert a section after this section, and that section is services. I want to duplicate this entire services which is on our home page to also show on our about us. So let me just update this page first, and I'm going to show you a tip on how to create and save our own pattern. So let's go to home, edit. So now we are at our home page. Let's go to the services block. So these are services. If you want to rename this, you can do so as well. You can click on rename and name it as clean services. Save. So now you can see that this whole group is under clean services. And I'm going to create pattern. Okay, I'm going to save it under my pattern category clean services. Okay, sync means if you do something in this services block, it will also reflect the changes in other services block in those pages that also use this block. So ideally, I would suggest you to leave this on and click create. Okay, so now you can see that it changes color. So let's update it. And let's go back to our about us page. So this is about us page. So scroll down. Okay, so now we want to add in the new pattern that we have saved. So just click on this plus icon over here and go to patterns. Scroll to my patterns and you can see that it is being saved. So click on here. Then it will automatically added here. So you may want to shift up the position right now. This is the first block, this is the second block, and this is the third block. So I'm going to delete this second block because I don't need it. Okay, so now after here, the visitors will see this services block. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is that for this About Us button, I want to change it to an anchor button, which means I want to change the wording here. Our services. So what I want to do is I want visitors when they click on this button, it will automatically scroll down to this block. So in order to do that, I will need to give an anchor name to this section. So let's close this, click on here, expand this and click on this first group and scroll down on the right, you see advanced, expand it and there's a HTML anchor. So for the anchor, I will just put services. Okay, services, and I click update, save. So there's an anchor here, services. So now how to make this button link to the anchor? You just click on this button, click on the link icon over here and enter a hex sign and enter the anchor name, services. Okay. So once you enter here, then it's done. We don't need to like enter a new tab. Okay, so this is done for the button and also the second. Okay, for this following group, I also don't need this. I will just delete it. Okay, now meet our team. This is where you can feature some of your team members. So for me, for example, I'll just upload a picture here and I can enter description. Okay, so I'll pause the video and upload a few people and also the random names. Then I'll come back to this video. Okay, so I have already uploaded the pictures over here and also their title. So if you were to continue here, and the next one, FAQ, I also do not need the FAQ. Okay, so the last one is this group. I also don't need it. Okay, so ideally, what you will need is that at the end of the About page, it's better to have a call to action. So let's add in a simple call to action over here. So you can just click on this plus icon, go to pattern, and go to call to action. And we will add in this join 900 plus subscribers. Okay, so this is the call to action. And we are going to change this to contact us. Contact us now. And click on it. On the link, you can just link it to the contact page that we have done. So click on here. Okay. And over here, you can just say schedule and cleaning appointment today. Okay, so that's what you can do. You can enter a simple call to action at the end of the web page. If not, there won't be anything to tell the visitors to take action. So click update, check out the preview. Okay, so this is the About Us page and the services block that we have duplicated from the home page using pattern, and this is the theme. Okay, the adjustment, we need to center the alignment over here. So this is a call to action. Okay, so let's go back to our WordPress. So come to the pictures over here, select this align and click align center. For this one, click align center. And this one align center. And this one also align center. Then click update again. Click preview again. Okay, so you can see that the images has been centered accordingly to the title and the name. Okay, so that's all for the About page creation using 2024 theme. If you have any questions, as usual, posts are below. I will help you out if I can. And if not, I'll see you in the next few tutorials on 2024 theme using WordPress 6.4. Thank you very much. See you.